Someone's been in here, Danner. I'm just gonna do my checks right here. I'll use my little piercing probe because they don't they don't want you back probing these anyway. It was like in the flow chart. Don't back probe. Do not probe PCM harness connectors. Probing harness connectors will damage PCM terminals, resulting in poor terminal to pin connection. Yeah, whatever. It's like use connector C. You don't have one, and
don't have any fuses, no connectors.
I'm just gonna check powers and grounds right there, and if my feeds are good, the only other option for that 1603 code is a faulty, because it's a RAM code for the engine computer, is a faulty engine computer. Hour and a half for me to tell you that. You shouldn't be paid. You shouldn't be paid for diagnostic work. Don't use any of that, Caleb. You know what? Here's the toned down version of what I just told Caleb to chop out. Some schmo had the idea that we shouldn't charge for diagnostic time. Who's paying for this time here? Oh wait, I know. This is really not a back probing tool. It is my elder wand. Elder wand? Elder wand. It's a freaking magic wand.